soft as breath at dawn, you unfold without hurry, petals carrying silence, strength hidden in your bloom. Through storms you bend, yet you never break. Each spring you remind us that renewal is possible. Magnolia, you are resilience wrapped in silk, a prayer of softness rooted in eternal return. I'm healing at home with herbs, thinking about magnolia today. I love flowers, I'm a creative, and magnolia was on my mind. So I wanted to create a video. Sometimes I show myself, sometimes I show my avatar on how I see my life, how I'm feeling. And magnolia, down here in the South, in the southern states, I love flowers, period. But I am healing at home, and I am thinking about all the things that I could do with magnolia. Sewing a magnolia dress, making art with magnolia, having a picnic, sitting outside under magnolia trees, thinking about making a journal with pressed flowers, artwork with magnolia. Yes, so many things. That's me. A headband with magnolia, making jewelry, making tea, making perfume. So join me, some of those things we will be doing here today. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's begin. Yourself a perfume bottle or a spray bottle, guys, or just get a jar with a lid if that's all you have. But you can repurpose one of your old perfume bottles. What I did, I just added some base oil, coconut oil. I added some magnolia essential oil. Smells so good. And then pair it up with other scents that you like. So I have a little vanilla, I have a little bit of jasmine in there. You shake it up, and then you put it in a dark space, a little cool, dry space for about a week or two. And then you can just spray it on like your regular perfume. So I would say just go to the dollar store and get a little spray bottle, guys. I have one of these roll-on jars that I have magnolia oil in here, so I can just roll it on like deodorant and put it on my neck or my wrist points or my ankle points, you know, those points between your thighs or however that us women like to put on our perfume. All right, and with your tea, my magnolia tea did not come in for me to show you in time for this video, but you just brew it like your regular tea. You would take out the herb, you would put it in your tea bag, and you will pour the hot water over it and then cover it and let it set. All right, but this smells so good.